Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to be using these onions to make a hot oil treatment on my daughter's hair. This hot oil will add nutrient to her hair, strengthen her hair to keep her hair growing full and healthy. Now if you're interested to see how I will be making this hot oil, keep watching to the end. Now let's get started with this video. Started, I'm gonna peel off my onion. I don't know if it's just me, but sometimes I feel like I peel off a lot of layers of the onion. Let me know in the comment below, when you peel off your onion, do you feel like you take a lot of those layers out, or do you feel like you just take enough? Now after peeling off the onion, I'm going to cut them in small pieces. I always say this, if you feel uncomfortable using knives to cut your onions, you can use an onion cutter. Me, I'm comfortable using a knife, so this is why it doesn't bother me. But if you do, don't stop using onion just because you feel uncomfortable using a knife. You can always buy an onion cutter. After cutting the onion in small pieces, I'm gonna put them in a cup of my blender. Because I'm planning to use 2 onions today, I'm gonna get my second onion, peel it off, cut it in small pieces, and put it in my blender. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing the like button, share this video with someone that you know that will enjoy this video, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Besides the fact that onion can leave a strong smell on your hair, onion can help prevent hair breakage and promote hair growth. Now that I have all my onion cut in small pieces, I'm going to blend it all together. Then I will transfer this into a pot before adding my favorite oils. For today's hot oil treatment, I'm going to be using some olive oil. Olive oil conditions dry hair and keep hair manageable. Next, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil can help repair dry hair, prevent split ends, and strengthen hair follicles. Now I'm going to turn my fire on at low because we want it to cook slowly but surely. Mix it up together and let it cook for a few minutes. After a few minutes, we can see that it's cooking very well, so I'm just gonna mix it all together again and let it sit for a few more minutes if I want, or either I'm going to just turn off the fire now and let it cool off. After letting it cool off for a few minutes, I'm ready to strain out the oil. And to do that, I will get a weak cup, put it on top of a bowl, in my case a measurement cup, then transfer my oil. Next, I'm going to try to squeeze out all the oil out of this weak cap. I try not to squeeze too much because the weak cap might get a hole if you squeeze too much, so I try not to squeeze too much. Now that I have all my oil out, I'm going to transfer this into an applicator bottle to make the application easy. I'm only using few of this oil for today's hot oil treatment. The rest I will be using it for something else. Because I let the oil cool off too long, so it's not as warm as I need it to be to do my hot oil treatment, so I'm gonna get some hot water, put it in a mug, in a cup, and put my oil in, let it sit there for a few minutes to warm up the oil. My daughter has low porosity hair, and because of that, I have to open her follicles before I put this hot oil on her hair. Because if I just put it on her hair the way it is, the oil will only sit on her hair. It's not going to penetrate into her follicles. So to help out open up her follicles, I'm going to spray some water on her hair, let her sit under a steamer for a few minutes, then I will apply the oil. Now that her follicles are open, I can apply this oil on her hair, and it's always good to apply warm oil because anything warm helps open up her follicles. So the fact that she was already under a steamer, adding warm oil on her scalp, this will help open her follicles. If I had a different type of steamer, I probably could apply the oil while steaming her hair, but because I didn't have that, so I had to do this way, but this still works. So now I'm only going to apply this oil all over her hair and let her sit with this for about 15 minutes or so before we continue with our regular wash day routine.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around you, you make me feel
30 minutes or so, I'm going to continue with her regular wash day routine, but before that, I'm going to make sure to massage your scalp to stimulate hair growth. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that I was able to teach you or show you something. If I was, please consider pressing the like button, share this video with someone that you know that will enjoy this video, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye. Have a good day.
Hold you for a moment.